Okay,
Hi.
so we're gonna be making slime. So we have the Color Chemistry Crayola Set. Okay, so
And also, let me tell you guys one thing. If you guys don't have this set, it's okay. You guys can make your own slime. You guys don't even have to do what we are gonna do. But we are gonna do this, and we have another set good and up and ready.
okay, so I have this slime part A. So when I take this when I open this, after I unscrew it, I'm gonna pour this in to this and measure it till it says it's at number 4 at near the 20. And this is going up, and I'm pouring in, I think, glue. So you put in glue, and it's going up. See till it gets up to the 20 mark, and it's there. There it is. It's there. Okay. So put this cap back on, and then take out the Crayola Color Chemistry slime part B. Okay. So I don't know what this ingredient is. Don't know what this is. You make it till it gets to the 5th mark, the next mark up. Okay, so hit some of this in. I think it's water. Oh yeah, this looks like water.
Yep, probably water. Water.
Yep, it's water. Okay, and it's at the right mark. Okay, so put the cap
That's
back
my
on
time.
that.
So probably I'm gonna use this.
It says to put the color. It says to put that in a color, and then open it on the table so it doesn't spill all over the floor.
Oh my gosh, that's so weird. One time I did a video and I opened one thing up and this started to the air. It's a funny time. Yeah. Anyway, why I'm gonna
Open blue. I'll do it. Let's see.
open it all up. Open it all up.
Okay, let's grab some of it. So you squeeze it, and
Ooh!
glue comes up, and when you squeeze it, it gets back.
And now
Glue, you have to squeeze it. It got all over it got on the table. So what? It's blowing bubbles like bubble gum. Push it. I'm strong. It's gotta go in there. It goes back. Let's stir it up.
no, I stood up and
Push
it's
it
my
in,
turn. Didn't
push
you
it in.
forget?
Go purr. And then put it on. Oh my god, it's slime. Okay, this is slime. We can also mix colors, so do you want to put
Ew, it's not slime. Ew. Ah! Hey, you
Let's
slime.
put in some yellow to make it.
Ew, slime.
I'm gonna put in some yellow to make it green. So it's mixing colors. When you mix yellow with blue, it makes green.
Yeah, and
You
then
push it in. It's green
Hey.
now. Now I made green.
Hey,
Blue's
how about
getting in it.
how
Let's just see if this is slime.
yeah, can I get some red in there?
Let's see. It says it moves the nozzle cap.
Oh, no!
It says.
How bad? I'm gonna use some of this.
Okay, let's put this paintbrush in and stir it around and see if it's it's slime. It's slime. It's either slime or still glue. So it's just going. Oh, it's slime. I think.
Ew, yep, it's totally slime. It's so gross. Oh, it's so gross.
Look at the
Bye.
slime. It's up.
Bye.
Let's
Your
see.
time is almost done. Our time is done. Ew,
Got it all over my
bye,
hands.
bye,
Okay.
Bye.
What?
Bye.
Thank you. Goodbye.